Hi, how was your day today?
Hi there. It was okay. Just busy with work. And you?
I had a good day. I went to the park and met a friend.
Nice. What did you do at the park?
We walked around, talked, and had a picnic. It was fun.
That sounds great. I wish I could join you.
Yeah, it would be nice. How was your work today?
It was tiring. Lots of emails to answer and tasks to finish.
I understand. I had some chores to do at home.
What kind of chores?
I cleaned the house and did the laundry.
I need to do that too.
It feels good when everything's clean and tidy.
Absolutely. I enjoy having a tidy place as well.
By the way, have you planned anything for the weekend?
Not yet. I might just relax at home. What about you?
I'm thinking of going to the cinema. There's a new movie out.
Which movie are you planning to watch?
I'm not sure yet, but I'll check the schedule.
Let me know. Maybe I'll join you.
Sure, that would be great.
I'm hungry. Did you have dinner?
Not yet. I was thinking of making pasta tonight.
I love pasta. Can I come over for dinner?
Of course.
Thanks.